Hey team, welcome back to another business tutorial, and if you're joining us for the first time, then my name's Stewart. Thanks for being here today. Now in this Instagram tutorial for beginners, I'm going to guide you through the process of how to create an Instagram account for your small business. Now, there are still millions of small and local businesses all around the world that still do not leverage social media like Instagram to grow their brand and business. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started with Instagram. Now, before I show you how to create and leverage an Instagram account for your small business, feel free to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge, and tools to grow your small business online. And with that covered, let's show you how to get started with Instagram. Okay guys, so first things first, we need to download Instagram onto our device. Then we need to open this newly installed application, and here what we need to do is actually pick a username. Now this is an extremely important step. You want to make sure your username is as close to your business name as possible. If your username is taken, create a variation that's similar to your business name and then click next. Then following this, what we want to do is add your email address or phone number. What we're going to do is add our email address. Then we need to verify our email address. So head back over to your email address, find the number and add that number in here and click next. And then go ahead and create a password, and if you like, click remember password if you like. Then click next, and that is the initial step of actually setting up your account. Now what we need to do is connect our Facebook account. Now if you don't already have a Facebook business page, I recommend you go ahead and do that first before you create an Instagram account, and then you can connect the two together. Now what this is also going to allow you to do when you connect your Facebook with Instagram is you can invite your friends to follow your new Instagram business page. But for now we're going to skip this because this is just a tutorial, but I recommend going ahead, connecting your Facebook and inviting your friends. Then add profile photo. We're going to skip this for now and do this later on. And here we are on your Instagram profile. Now what we actually need to do is convert this Instagram profile into a business page, a business profile. So to do that, what we need to do is head over to our profile like we've just done, and then navigate over to settings up on the top, the three bars up on the top right. Then navigate down to settings, and under settings here you can modify some of this information in your own time, like notifications, privacy, security. But what we want to do is actually come down to account. So click on account. And here what you can do is edit some of this information here again if you like in your own time, but what we want to do is switch to professional account. Now under professional account, this is just going to give you a description of what the professional account will allow you to do. Learn about your followers with insights. This allows you to look at the analytics. You can reach more people by creating promotions, so paid ads through Instagram. And your new Instagram business account allows you to add a contact button or call to action button to your Instagram profile, meaning that your customers can easily get in contact with your local or small business. So now once we've done that, what we need to do is add a category. So for us, we're a cafe. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're using a cafe example. So what we're going to do is select cafe. Make sure you find your category that best represents your business, or if you can't find your category, then select one that closest represents your business. Then just click display category label, because you want your category label to appear on your profile so people know what type of business you are, and then click next. Then Instagram will give you the option to select either business or creator. Now creator is, say, someone that's got a large following, could be an influencer, celebrity, an author, someone with a large following. Now we want to select business because we're focusing this tutorial around a cafe, which is a local and small business. Then what you want to do is add your public business information, so your email, your phone number, and your business address. So we're going to go ahead and add our local cafe phone number and local cafe email address. Then what we want to do is select business address, and here we want to enter the physical address of our cafe, of our local business. So we're going to quickly go ahead and add our location in here now. And then come down and hit save. Then here what you want to do is make sure that all your information, your contact information is correct. Then come down and click next. Then what we want to do is connect our Facebook. If you have not already connected your Facebook, do that here. What we're going to do is click skip because this is just a tutorial. But make sure you do this as this is an important part of the process. And just like that, you have completed your Instagram business account. Now what we need to do is complete your profile. So click complete your profile. And here what we want to do is make sure all our profile information is correct. So here we're going to add our business name, which is Cafe for Friends. Then we can come down to username and make sure that is correct. I'm happy with that. Then what you want to do is add your website. So add your website in here. And the last thing is we want to edit our bio, so add some information about our business so people understand what our business is about when they land on our Instagram business account. So I'm going to add a quick bio here and click tick. Then review and make sure your profile information is correct, and then click add profile photo. We want to add a new profile photo, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. I'm going to select this food image. Now I recommend using your logo. Now because this is just a tutorial, we do not have a logo for this local business, so we're going to go ahead and use this photo and click tick. And congratulations, just like that, you've completed your Instagram business profile. Now what we're going to do is click share photos and videos, and we're going to create our first post. So I'm going to use this image. You can come down below and use the edits, the filters if you like. Once you've done that, you're happy with the edits and filters you've used on your image, then you can click next. Then that's going to process. Here what you want to do is add a description about your new post. So we've gone ahead and created an example of what a post could look like. Then you want to use hashtags. Now hashtags are essentially keywords that people are typing in to find your business, to find your post. So think about some of the keywords people could type into Instagram to find your local business. Like we have here, we've got hashtag Tauranga Cafe and others. Now below your post you'll also notice that you can tag people in your post, and below this you can add a location to your post, which is important for local and small businesses. Then below this you also have the option to instantly share this Instagram post to Facebook, Twitter and Tumblr, the most important being Facebook. And remember, we discussed this earlier, you do need to connect your Facebook and Instagram together. And then when you're happy with your post, just click share. And just like that, your post is live and you've just created your first post for your Instagram business page. And as you can see, there it is there. I'm happy with that. If I head back over to my profile, you can see our one post within our profile. And this is what our customers, our potential customers, our followers will see on Instagram. Now I want to show you how to add a contact button to your profile page. This is a call to action. So head over to edit profile, and under edit profile, what you want to do is navigate down to contact options. And then here just make sure all your information is correct and click add an action button. Here you can navigate through all these different options and programs that you can connect with in order to essentially create a contact button, a call to action button for your followers to click through to and get in contact with you or make a booking online. So take the time to choose the best option for you. And then once you've done that, just navigate back through your profile, make sure everything's correct, save your information, and you will arrive back on your profile. So I'm happy with everything at the moment. So if you want to create another post, just navigate down to the middle where there's the plus, click that and you can create a new post, video or image. Now you'll also notice next to edit profile you have promotions and insights. Promotions is where you can go ahead and actually create paid promotions for Instagram, and insights is essentially where you can see the analytics behind what your Instagram profile is doing, your business profile is doing. You can look at your views, your followers, your audience, and you can understand all the analytics behind your Instagram business account. And finally, I just want to quickly show you how to create Instagram stories. So click your home button down on the bottom left and then swipe right. And basically here what you can do is create stories of what's happening every day in your business, and you can capture those stories in video or photo format, and then you can customize these the way that you like, and then you can share them to your story, and this is going to update your followers and people that are interested in your brand and business. However, we're going to exit out of that for now and head back to our business Instagram profile, and here we are, and that is essentially everything you need to know to really get started with Instagram and create your Instagram business page. And that is how you create an Instagram account for your small business. Now, I hope you found this Instagram tutorial straightforward and easy to follow. Now, if you have any questions about this Instagram tutorial, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this Instagram tutorial all the way through to the end. If you enjoyed it, you got value, then please leave a like. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe. And that way, I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.